Welcome back. My name is Rob and today I will show you a new element which is called rigid link element. Here I have a simple example of some stacked beams, as you can see, and I will show this in solid mode like this, but these beams are not connected to each other yet. And by doing that we use this new element, rigid link element. Okay, how to enter this element? Well, it's quite simple. First we need to determine the intersection point of these two lines. And to do so, we introduce also a new functionality. Just make a selection of these beams, right click and choose for determine intersections of beams. And as you can see, the intersection points, the two nodes are generated above each other, exactly above each other. Okay, we do the same here, and of course you can select several beams at one time. Just do the same, determine intersection points of beam. That's it. Now we draw a beam like you're used to, just like this, and you choose here for rigid link. And here you can enter your spring values. By default it's a fully fixed hinge connection, but you can also enter your fully fixed link rigid element here, no problem. Okay, so I added this one, and this rigid element you can copy it like you copy your beams in the same way, just like this. That's it. Okay, let me show this in solid mode. This is how it's visualized, these elements, and when we make a calculation it will show. And as you can see, now the beams are connected like this. Okay, so a new element in XFEM4U, the latest version, called rigid link element. Thank you for watching.